In the Lori Vallow Daybell Trial, day 22 of the trial opened with Pawlowski back on the stand, describing some of what he felt were worrisome experiences with Lori and Chad, including a phone call between Lori and her niece Melani, where she mentions a Satan taco. Ian talked about recordings he made for law enforcement to try and help find JJ and Tylee. The judge did not allow those recordings played in court at this time, but says defense could introduce them later. Ian described how Lori and Chad took advantage of Melani because she looked at them as parental figures. He also said Chad and Lori told them there would be a spiritual attack on December 12th, 2019, the day Alex Cox died. Another witness who testified yesterday was Angela Yancey, who was the benefits administrator at the Sugar Salem School District where Tammy Daybell worked. She said in September 2019, Tammy changed her life insurance policy to the maximum coverage, which would be 5 times her salary. Yancey also said the morning after Tammy died, Chad came in to claim her life insurance and said he had ordered 8 copies of her death certificate, both of which Yancey thought was unusual. Kauai Police Detective Colin Nesbitt served Lori her legal papers in Hawaii in 2020. He testified yesterday and described searching Lori's rental vehicle in Hawaii. They found copies of Charles Vallow's death certificate, multiple copies of JJ's birth certificate, Tylee's birth certificate, and both kids' social security cards, along with Tylee's credit card and thousands of dollars of cash. A Gilbert, Arizona police officer, Ryan Pillar, next took the stand. He investigated the attempted shooting of Brandon Bordeaux, Melani Pawlowski's ex-husband. If he had died, Melani would have received more than $200,000 in life insurance. The trial will only go half a day today and then resume again on Monday. And Chad Daybell was also back in the courtroom yesterday for a status hearing on his case. He appeared via Zoom from the Fremont County Jail. The intent was to schedule a new trial date. Given that the death penalty is currently still on the table for Chad, prosecutors expect the trial to take up to 9 weeks. John Pryor, Chad's attorney, said he needs time to call experts, go over the entire transcript of Lori's trial, and get discovery. He expects the trial to take 10 to 12 weeks and asked Judge Boyce to set it for May of next year. Judge Boyce said he will take it under advisement and set a trial date fairly soon. Also yesterday is what would have been Tammy Daybell's 53rd birthday. Her family says anyone that wants to honor her can make a donation to the Tammy Douglas Daybell Foundation, which helps libraries and literacy programs throughout Idaho.